Hi, I'm George Steimer, Senior Product Manager at Alfresco. If you're following along in the Policy and Procedure Management demo series, we're building upon a scenario where we want to make a change to a disaster recovery document. In this video, we're going to focus on the periodic review process. So here's the document, and in the last video, we made this document effective. So it is now a 2.0 major version with the status of effective. If we take a look at the properties of the document, the periodic review date is automatically set to 2 years in the future. So 2 years from now, 90 days before this date, a workflow will get kicked out to make sure that the document is reviewed periodically, to make sure there's no changes that need to be made, or if there are changes, that those are caught and then the document is modified. So rather than waiting 2 years, I'm just going to go behind the scenes and change this date so we can kick off the periodic review workflow and show you what that looks like. Okay, we're back. So I modified this date behind the scenes, and if we take a look at it now, we updated this to a date about a month from now, and I ran the job that would kick off this route, so we can take a look at what that looks like. So I'm going to head over to the dashboard. And in my inbox here, we can see that a periodic review task was added to a group inbox. So this is sent to a group, and one user can come in and perform the periodic review on behalf of the group. So I'll just go ahead and click on it, which will load the document. And I can use this action, or there was actually a button on the inbox where I could do that as well, but I can acquire this task on behalf of the group. So now I have a new action here to perform the periodic review. So essentially my job is to go through this document and see if anything needs to be changed. When I go ahead and perform the periodic review, the first question is the document acceptable as is? So if not, if I see that a change needs to be made, I can say no here. And essentially what this would do is just complete the workflow. And then it's up to me at this point to edit the document, make the changes that are necessary, and then route the document through the normal change control process to get it to be effective again. Or on the other hand, maybe this document is no longer needed and I could obsolete the document, which we'll take a look at the next video in the demo series. For this demo, I'm just going to say that the document is acceptable as is and enter my credentials. Once I do that, the periodic review workflow will be completed and an additional signature is added to the signature page to say that a QA review was performed. Additionally, if we take a look at the properties, the periodic review date is again kicked out another 2 years after I've done my QA review. Well, that's it for this short demo. Be sure to follow along in the demo series. Thanks for watching.